Hi guys, so my name is Christina and I'm from the Institute. The three words that I feel best describe me are spontaneous, patient, and motivated. Uh, so my definition of spontaneous is just going with the flow, not planning anything, just doing. So I'm that kind of friend that you can call in the middle of the night to go on an adventure, even if it's just a corner store. So a few times I've actually driven to a few states to see your performer in concert. I actually decided recently I'm going to move to North Carolina. Just very kind. So, a few occasions I've pulled out of work just to get back to go to the tea certain day, just relax. Second is patience. To me, being patient means not losing your temper, especially in stressful situations. So, as you know from my previous video, I work for a hair analysis lab. I deal with mainly hormonal patients. So, you can imagine I get screamed at that all day long. And it really takes a lot not to snap back into people, but it's part of the job. Lastly, motivated. I feel like being motivated means having a goal in mind and not giving up on it. You can tell by my face, but I've lost 80 pounds in the last year. Even through lots of tribulations at times, like losing my brother, I still managed to focus. And it's like, let's do a nursing degree.